Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Nihit Agarwal is there in the meeting or not? Nihit Agarwal. Good morning. He's not there?
Sir, he is not
No,
there.
sir. So we have done till question number 11 of the 7th chapter. Our last question is there.
Okay. And in fifth day, we have completed the chapter or not? Fifth day?
Yes, sir. We have completed.
Yes, sir, we have completed.
Okay,
writing
so
on WhatsApp.
sorry,
Sir,
Nihit.
writing on WhatsApp. Sir, please let me in.
Let me see.
So can you please give the permission of rename?
Yes. He is not online. Nihit Agarwal is not online.
Good morning.
Nihit Agarwal, have you joined the class?
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग निहित बेटा, आपने जो ग्रुप पे मैसेजेस करे हैं उनको डिलीट करिए.
Sir, you are not allowing me to end the meeting.
बेटा, व्हाई वुड आई नॉट अलाउ यू टू एंटर द मीटिंग? मैं क्यों मना करूंगा? सेकंड वाला भी डिलीट करो.
Yes, sir. But sir, it is showing that.
देयर मस्ट बी सम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
So what we are doing?
मेरी बात सुनिए सारे बच्चे ध्यान से, ऑल ऑफ यू. If there is some problem, network problem, some issue, you message the teacher directly, personally. Okay, not on the group. ठीक है, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मीटिंग कनेक्ट करने में, you message the teacher directly, personally करिए, not on the group. Okay, understood, Nihit Agarwal and everyone else?
Okay, sir.
Sir, please.
We
Sir, what
we
we are
will
doing?
we will do the 12th question of the chapter unitary method. Okay. Garv Agarwal, can you read the 12th question of the last question of the chapter, unitary method?
Okay. Okay, sir. 1 minute.
One minute. Sir, if you need to pay 19,800 for the school fees for 1 year, then how much is your monthly school fees?
Very good. So the school fees for a year is how much? 19,000. कितना है बेटा?
Sir, 19,800.
School fee for a year मतलब 1 year is equal to rupees 19,800. Okay, L नहीं लगाया. School fee for a year is 19,800. Now, 1 year has how many months? 1 year is equal to 12
12
months.
months.
Very good. So monthly school fees क्या होगी? Monthly मतलब one month की क्या हो जाएगी? Monthly school fee, you will divide the yearly fee by 12. आपको 1
Sir,
month की
can we
fees
write the answer on chat box?
yes. One 9800 divided by 12. So do the division. So the monthly school fee is rupees 1,650.
1,650.
Yes. Keep your mics off, everyone. Keep your mics off.
And now what we will do?
Have you all
I'm
done the done? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm doing the division. Give me a minute.
Yes.
Sir, I've sent the answer on chat box.
Very good, beta. We will now start the
Done.
Sir, next chapter.
chapter number 11, which is simplification. Chapter 11. Okay.
Sir, it's crazy simplification. Sir,
No, sir, we will
not do
8, 9, 10.
Not now.
have do. Sir, I have done now.
Which chapter? Ojasvi, what you have done?
Sir, 10, 11, 12 questions.
Beta, we are talking
10,
about
11.
chapter 11, not question 11. Chapter 11 start करेंगे. We have completed till the question 12 of exercise 7.1. The chapter is over. Let's start with chapter 11. Okay, all of you ready?
So chapter 8? Yes, sir.
It is
Ready.
8 and 9 are not in your syllabus of first term. Chapter 8 and 9 will come in second term, not in the first term. Okay. So chapter number 11, simplification. Ready, everyone?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Sir, you will not do chapter 8?
Beta, chapter 8 and 9, these two chapters are not in the first term syllabus. Chapter 8 and 9 will come in the second term.
Okay.
Yeah. पहले हम चैप्टर 11 करेंगे, 11 के बाद कोई और चैप्टर करेंगे, ठीक है? मे बी चैप्टर 10 11 के बाद शायद चैप्टर 10 करें,
Sir.
ठीक है? 8 and 9 we will not do because that these two chapters will come in your second term, not in the first term. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so simplification. Question 1. Okay, let's, before starting the questions and the exercises, let me tell you a rule which will be used in this chapter. The name of the rule is DMAS. Everyone will write this DMAS. DMAS.
Multiply A addition.
Answer as subtraction.
Very good.
Sum M multiplication.
सही से रखो सही से रख दो पोस्टर सीधा
Sir, A addition.
All of you will you have to write this in your copies,
Subtraction.
everyone. Write this in your copies, all of you.
I will show you all. I will show you all. Wait.
बेटा माइक ऑफ कर लीजिए आप लोग, मैं कैसे खाऊं आप लोगों से? So this rule, this is known as a rule. You can write the heading as DMAS rule.
Then we have to do this in order.
DMAS rule. This is the heading. तो लिखिए ये D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction.
So we are doing the chapter 11.
Yes. Wow.
So that 8 and
8th and 9th will come in second term, not in the first term. ठीक है बेटा, आप लोगों ने लिख लिया D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition, S for subtraction. I hope you all have noted in your copies.
Yes, sir. Already.
Very good. Now, how we can use this rule for simplification?
Done.
कैसे यूज करते हैं? Let me give you some examples for this. Before starting the exercise, let me give one or two examples, very simple examples. These examples you will not note in your copies. Okay, ये बस मैं आपको explain करने के लिए दे रहा हूँ. Example. You all have written this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me give you an example for this. You don't have to note down the example. Suppose कहीं पर अगर ऐसे लिखा है 5 plus 12 divided by 3, तो कुछ लोग ये समझते हैं कि पहले हमें 5 और 12 को ऐड करना है. वो क्या करते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ज्यादा समझदार होते हैं जो 5 एंड 12 को ऐड कर लेते हैं 17, फिर 17 को 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं और फिर फंस जाते हैं, बोले ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा, डिवाइड क्या हो गया. सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. अगर आप 5 और 12 को पहले ऐड कर रहे हैं, दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज नॉट, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द DMAS रूल. What is DMAS rule? The DMAS rule says that first you will divide. फर्स्ट नंबर पे क्या है, डिवीजन है, उसके
Sir,
बाद
I think
मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, फिर एडिशन है, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन है. तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करना है. व्हाट इज 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 3? ऑल ऑफ यू टेल मी. 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करके क्या आता है?
Sir, 4.
4. सो पहले आप 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. व्हाई डिवीजन फर्स्ट? व्हाई वी आर डूइंग डिवीजन फर्स्ट?
Sir,
Because
because DMAS rule is first, sir, D is divide.
yes, correct. In the DMAS rule, the first priority should be, according to the DMAS rule, the first priority should be divide. पहले आपको डिवाइड करना है. अगर डिवाइड डिवीजन दिख रहा है वहां पर, अब यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको कहीं पे दिख रहा है? नहीं है. देयर इज नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो मल्टीप्लाई कर नहीं करेंगे.
Sir,
फिर
then
अगला.
at
So
the
now
end,
we only have to add 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is the answer. Have you all understood the example?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So,
Very good.
sir,
So
it means that we will divide so that the answer will come. So, sir, we will add the number.
yes, yes. Okay. So this is known as DMAS rule. You always have to, whenever you will be doing any calculation in mathematics, कहीं पर भी मैथ्स में कहाँ कोई भी कैलकुलेशन आप करेंगे, you will always follow this rule, DMAS rule. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo beta, let's start with the questions, with the exercise. Exercise 11.1, question number A, first part. Question is 12 divided by 3 plus 4. This is the question. ये तो बहुत easy है. तो पहले क्या करना चाहिए? What we should do first? We should divide or add, और क्या करेंगे?
Sir, divide.
Divide.
Divide पहले करेंगे.
Sir, divide. Then, sir, plus.
हाँ, तो 12 divided by 3 is 4,
Sir, 4.
and then plus 4 ये रहा आपका. So 4 plus 4
Sir,
is
answer is 8.
8. 8 is
My
the
answer
answer.
is correct.
Very good. So all of you try the second and third part and send your answers in the chat box. I want to see whether you are doing it correctly or not. Do the second and third part. Try करिए second और third part and उसके बाद answers अपना chat box में send करो. I want to see whether you have understood the rule or not. Start doing. Okay, time up, everyone. So I'm doing the second part. You all need to check your answer of the second part.
Sir, I have done 10th. I have sent it all the
बेटा
answers.
बेटा देखो 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 मेरी बात सुनो. पहले मैं सेकंड पार्ट कर रहा हूँ. I will tell you the answer. Then I will check the how many of you have done correctly. I will tell the names also. Okay. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Can you explain me how to do the fourth part?
अभी रुक जाओ बेटा, एक मिनट वेट करो. 20 plus 6 divided by 2. पहले क्या करना चाहिए? What we should do first? Division.
The division.
So 20 plus
The division, then addition.
yes, correct. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. पहले division कर लिया. 20 plus 3 is 23.
That's 23.
Sir, my answer is correct.
So answer is 23.
My answer is correct.
My
Very good.
answer is correct. All the
Sir,
answers.
my answer is also correct.
Very good. Let's do the third part.
Answer is also correct.
15 divided by 5 minus 2. Again पहले division होगा.
Sir,
15
divide
divided by 5 is
Sir, answer
3.
is 1.
3 minus 2 is 1.
Sir, 1.
The answer is
1
1.
is the answer. So let me see how many of you have given the correct answers. अरे विवेक बेटा, ये कितने सारे आंसर्स तुमने सेंड कर दिए?
I have sent it all the answers.
अरे मर गए. Have you done these questions before only?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have written the answers in the book only.
अरे नहीं नहीं बेटा, ऐसे मत करो, बुक में मत करो. Do these questions in your copies, okay? Do them in your copy.
Being in the copies only.
Yes.
Sir, now can I do the 4th, 5th, and 6th question?
Mohammad Imad, your second one is correct. Very good. Mandavya, your both the answers are correct. Imad, your third answer is also correct. Question 3 का आंसर भी सही है. आद्विक का करेक्ट आंसर, निहित अग्रवाल करेक्ट आंसर.
Excuse me, sir.
मेहुल करेक्ट आंसर, निहित अग्रवाल करेक्ट आंसर, मेहुल करेक्ट आंसर, आद्रिका करेक्ट आंसर, आद्या भाटिया करेक्ट आंसर, आद्रिका जौहरी करेक्ट आंसर, आद्या भाटिया करेक्ट आंसर. So only these students had sent the answer in the chat box. What about the rest? बाकी बच्चों ने आंसर सेंड क्यों नहीं करे?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, हृदयांश करेक्ट आंसर.
Sir, I'm not able to do the 4th one.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, I will tell you. Fourth one, don't worry. Fourth one.
How can we, sir, subtract 1 by 11?
Yes,
11 by
sir.
Listen. 11 minus, now पहले division. 4 divided by 4 is 1. हो गया. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे कितना आएगा? 1 आएगा, है ना? So 11 minus 1 is 10. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? What is the problem? 11 minus 1 10 नहीं होता है?
Sir, there is a problem. Sir,
What
first
problem?
you have said you have to divide.
हाँ तो डिवाइड तो करा है बेटा पहले. 4 divided by 4 1 नहीं आया? पहले डिवीजन तो करा है. पहले डिवीजन तो करा मैंने. 4 divided by 4 is 1. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करा है. देखो 11 minus 1 is 10. ये आ गया 10. क्लियर?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. So now we can do the all.
Okay, now all of you do the 5th, 6th and 7th part. Okay, 5th, 6th and 7th करो. These are very
Sir,
easy.
I've done till 12.
अरे मर गए, इतनी जल्दी 12 तक कर ली. Very good.
I have also sent. Sir, I am on 9. Sir, I can do B part.
Wait बेटा wait, अभी B नहीं करना आपको. अभी do only the A part.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how we will do the seventh one?
Sir, in fifth part, we have to do first multiplication, sir, then minus subtraction.
Yes, in the fifth one पहले multiply करना है because BOD mass rule में पहले m आता है उसके बाद a आता है. m means multiply. तो पहले
Yes, sir.
multiply
Okay, sir.
करेंगे उसके बाद minus करेंगे.
Sir, I
Okay.
have sent my answer in the chat box.
Very good. Okay, so I hope everyone has done the fifth, sixth, and seventh part now. I'm going to do the fifth, sixth, and seventh part. You all will check your
Sir, please
answers.
wait. I am just doing seventh part.
Okay. And one more thing, those students who join in the starting of the meeting and then they left, they will not be marked absent. So don't worry, those who are there in the meeting, it is very good, very appreciable. So you all will be marked present. Those who remain in the meeting till the end. बाकी बच्चे जो आते हैं फिर स्टार्टिंग में फिर छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, they will be marked absent. In the starting of the meeting, there were 25 students. Now there are only 18. अब और कम हो गए, 17 हो गए.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have done exercise 11.1.
You have done? Do you have done 11.1?
Yes,
All
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
questions?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, I have done seventh
What?
part.
7th part, अच्छा. 11.1 किसने कर ली?
sir,
आए कौन?
Sir, mind abhyasing is done.
Sir, can we start exercise 11.2?
अरे वेट बेटा, 11.2 तो है ही नहीं उसमें.
Sir, can we start B point?
Yes, B part अभी start करना है. Are you talking about the A part?
Sir, I have sent all the answers of all the questions of A part.
Okay, very good. So fifth part, everyone. 16 minus 2 multiplied by 3. 16 minus, now पहले मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 2 into 3 कितना हो गया? 6. मल्टीप्लाई पहले आता है बॉड मास, सॉरी डी मास में. डी मास रूल में फर्स्ट मतलब पहले डिवाइड आता है. डिवाइड तो यहाँ पे है नहीं, वी डोंट हैव टू डिवाइड. तो डिवाइड के बाद नेक्स्ट चीज क्या होती है? मल्टीप्लाई. सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन फर्स्ट नाउ. So 2 into 3 is 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 is the answer. Sixth part of the question. 45 minus 18 divided by 3. So 45 पहले डिवाइड हो जाएगा, डिवीजन पहले करेंगे. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 45 minus 6 is 39.
Sir, the
Answer.
39.
Seventh part.
Sir, 39.
27 divided by 9 minus 1. पहले डिवीजन फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer is 2.
Sir,
Eighth
my
one.
answer is correct.
36 minus 15 plus 3. Good question. 36 minus 15 plus 3. अब यहाँ पर कुछ बच्चों का आंसर गलत होगा. All of you look at the eighth one very carefully. I know many of you must have done the eighth one wrong. बहुत सारे बच्चों का आंसर एट्थ पार्ट का रॉन्ग होगा. सो एवरीवन प्लीज पे अटेंशन, लुक एट द स्क्रीन, ध्यान से देखिए. 36 माइनस 15 प्लस 3. डी मास में एडिशन पहले होता है या सब्ट्रैक्शन पहले होता है? पहले होता है एडिशन. एडिशन पहले होता है. तो क्या आएगा? पहले एडिशन करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
15 plus 3
Sir,
is equals to
18.
8.
Sir, 18.
यही तो रॉन्ग हो गया बेटा. यही तो आपने रॉन्ग कर दिया. यही तो रॉन्ग कर दिया आपने. एडिशन हमेशा पहले जब आप करेंगे तो वो आप दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, जब भी एक नंबर से पहले माइनस साइन लगा होता है, दिस नंबर इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ नेगेटिव नंबर. नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव आपने नंबर सुने हैं? नेगेटिव नंबर्स पॉजिटिव नंबर्स सुना है? कभी नहीं सुना है? कोई बात नहीं. अगर सपोज आई एम राइटिंग 18, सिर्फ 18 लिखा और एक जगह लिखा -18, सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव. इसको क्या
Sir,
बोलते हैं?
sir,
पॉजिटिव.
Sir, in max -2, sir, like that.
पॉजिटिव, हाँ, -2 मार्क्स होते हैं. हाँ, तो वो
Yes, sir,
नेगेटिव
I
मार्क्स होते
understand.
हैं.